Hi, I'm Dr. Sujata. In this video, we'll be talking about the symptoms of glaucoma. If you are in search for an expert, reach out to the best of them at Medfin. Our dedicated team ensure that you have a worry-free surgery experience from the start to the end. Symptoms of open angle glaucoma. Those with open angle glaucoma have no symptoms. Once they know of vision loss, the damage is almost severe. There is a slow loss of side or peripheral vision, also known as tunnel vision. Also, in advanced stage, open angle glaucoma can lead to blindness. Coming to the symptoms of angle closure glaucoma, there could be sudden and severe pain in one eye, nausea and vomiting, red eye, decreased or cloudy vision, rainbow-like halos around lights, eye feeling swollen. These symptoms can come and go in the beginning and steadily gets worse. Coming to the symptoms of congenital glaucoma. Congenital glaucoma means the glaucoma being present in the children from birth. The symptoms can be cloudiness of the front of the eye, red eye, tearing, enlargement of one or both eyes, sensitivity towards the light. These symptoms are usually noticed when the child is a few months old. Secondary glaucoma symptoms. Some eye condition has caused this glaucoma. Here, elevated intraocular pressure is a result of an existing eye disease. These symptoms of secondary glaucoma are most often related to that eye disease. Also, depending on the cause of glaucoma, symptoms may be similar to those of either open angle or an angle closure glaucoma. To summarize, early detection and treatment of glaucoma are highly important as the damage caused by glaucoma is irreversible. One can do this by having routine eye examination to detect the disease in its early stages.